What's up guys, the Locust here, back with part 2 of the game room build / room tour. Let's get into it. So before we get into this video, if you haven't seen part 1, I will leave a link in the card up top just so you guys can check that one out first. Part 1 got a lot of good feedback, so I'm really excited for part 2. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will get back to you on those. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and hit that bell just so you guys don't miss any new content that I'm going to be coming out with. I do put videos out every Tuesday, so stay tuned for those. Like I said before, this is the second set of hats that I have gotten. I'm still waiting on one more company to send me theirs, and then that hat review will be coming out / comparison, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you want to check out my Instagram just to see any new things that I'm going to be coming out with for the Locust in general, for my game build setup, or just any game clips, I will leave a link in the description. Also, if you would like to watch me just chat or stream any gameplay, I stream on Twitch every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Link is going to be in the description. Let's get right into this video, guys.
Alright, now we are at Best Buy to get a TV to make this room complete. Yep.
Go.
TV time. Thinking the 55-inch Samsung. Just trying to find the hertz. 4K. 55-inch smart TV. Yup. This is the LG one. This is the sharp one. Yeah, 55 seems legit. This might be TCL, LG, Sony. Woo! All right, here we go. We out. All right, getting this TV in the car. Are you able to close it?
Are you able to close yours?
Can you close yours first? I don't think it's gonna get in there, baby. Here, I can try. Okay, so the guy told us that if we don't get the TV in the car upright, they will not take it back if it's damaged. We got a 5-year warranty on that thing, so don't tell anyone. But hey, we got it in the car. It is sideways, hatchback, the way to go.
Yeah.
Getting it home. Alright, we gotta go to Home Depot to get some cable management and some wires and stuff, and a riser to rise up that table. Let's get it.
Woo!
One.
One and done.
I need two, right?
Yeah. Round two. Woo! Yeah.
Okay, so after cutting all that, found something better. So we're gonna do that. Let's see what we can do about sticky stuff. Alright guys, I know there's a lot of time lapses in this video, but building this might require some more. Let's get started, I guess. Alright, so because I should have went with black, I thought I did, but hey, you know? But because these aren't level and there's going to be a table sitting on top of them, we bought these little wooden things to hopefully get up to the right level. And that is very close. We got another one. Okay. And it is a little too big, so that is great.
What about, did we buy these little guys?
But actually, we're just gonna take the legs off of the bottom of this thing. It'll be perfect. So hold on. So we're actually going to raise it 3 high, like we did, and then, like we said before, this will be a little bit higher, but we're gonna put these on this side to account for it and make it to where the table won't move around. Ingenious. Okay, so we got our little makeshift system with sticky tape all over it and things to make the table not move around, and then also sticky for that side of the table. There we go. We're getting there. how it is. Here. Yeah, so here. Now we hope it's level. Not too bad. Got a solid desk.
Woo! There she is. Nice.
Not too bad. Okay, so we actually changed the positioning of where we're going to put these, just to make it to where the table is actually, more secure, and it's actually level. Can you hold this, baby? See, now it doesn't move around. Then you have to look. It's level.
Like I said before, guys, this build took a lot longer than I thought to make. Stay tuned for part 3, the final part of this video, so that will be coming out very soon. If you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell just so that you guys don't miss part 3 or any other videos that I am going to be coming out with. Thanks again for being patient on this, guys. I'm just finishing up a couple things that I need to edit on part 3, and then that will be put out for you guys. If you want to see my Instagram, like I said, link is going to be in the description, as well as my Discord and my Twitch. Thanks again, guys, and we will see you soon.